Hi guys, Corey, Steve, Tracker Die. Not sure what the f he's doing. We are installing a Bassani. Is it a Road Rage 3? Road Rage 3, 2018 Sport Glide. It happens to be specific to the Sport Glide. Fits with the forwards, has a bag mount on the exhaust. You're gonna need Sport Glide model. If you need it for another model, make sure you buy it specific. There's a lot of weird things that they did on the new bikes that make the pipes specific to the bike.
Who want it? Put jewels on it. Who want it? Who want it?
So first things first, Steve is removing all the nuts that hold the headers on. You need to go in, take all those off. Make sure you unplug all your O2 sensors, start loosening up the exhaust mount at the rear of the bike, which we're gonna get to, and then it just pops off. So we gotta make sure that you pull your O2 sensors out of your old pipes. Don't leave them out. Gonna have an exhaust leak, gonna be a bad day. Take them out of your old pipe, put them in the new ones. Also make sure you remove the header flanges off of your old header. New pipes don't usually come with them. There's a little snap ring type piece that holds them in. There's a set of pliers that pops them off. Nice and easy. Put them on the new pipes, which we'll get to in a second. Getting ready to put in the new O2 sensors. The bungs in the pipe are bigger to accommodate aftermarket O2 sensors. So we are installing the adapters that they include, putting a little bit of anti-seize on them. Gonna thread those in and then thread the O2 sensors into those. Now we are going to put on the new bracket that Bassani has supplied. You're gonna use the bolts that came out. Make sure you Loctite these. A little bit of Loctite on there. Put these bad boys in here. Little bag locator piece back in. We got the header on, heat shields on, everything's snugged down. O2 sensors are plugged back in, the exhaust mount is on. We're gonna go ahead and install the muffler. Steve's putting the clamp on it right now. We're gonna slip that on, snug down the mounts, snug down the clamp, down the road.
My heart and your heart, the answer lies. Niggas don't exist. Ain't this? Yeah, yo, the rich get richer, the days get shorter.
That's how you install the Bassani Road Rage 3 onto a Harley Davidson Sport Glide. Install will be very similar on any other models. Might be a little bit of variables, but the general idea should be the same. We're gonna take her down, fire it up, see how she sounds. Thank you guys for watching TheRideTV. Thank you guys for watching Tracker Die. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Chris or myself will answer them. We'll get you guys all set up.
My heart and your heart, the answer lies. Niggas don't exist. Get richer, the days get shorter. I write down scriptures when my brain needs closure. Niggas want exposure like that's paying the rent. I gotta